Hello, hello, hello. 안녕하세요. Impact Korean is back. Everyone, have a good day. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. And do you see, excuse me, today's title? Consonant 니은. 자음 니은. The name is 니은. 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 The sounds, tongue sound. Do you hear tongue sound? Use your half tongue, the front tongue. N. Put the upper side. Your mouth, right? Excuse me. I'm sorry. My voice is very dry. First sound. This is the sound. I just expression with a word like this. N. Use your half of your tongue. Put the upper side. N. Not that light. You could put that little bit hardly. N. It's not an English. English put usually your tip of your tongue. N. But in Korean, use your half of your tongue. N. Okay? The last sound, n. Use your half of your tongue. N. Just the sound, okay? Consonant and vowel. Let's practice. I did put together here. Na, nya, nya, no, nya, no, nu, new, ni, 나냐, 너냐, 노뇨, 누뉴, 니니. More vowels. 느에, 네. Similar. 네. This means me. 네. This means you. 네. Yes. 네. This is 느예. 네. 네. Hard, right? Noa. This is brain. Nue. This is no. Nue. Similar to this one. Nue. This is nui. Ui, nui. Not nui. You pronounce at once. Nui. This is ni. Same sound. Ni. Once again. Ne. Nye. Noa. Nue. No. Nue. Nui. Ni. You get it? Can you practice? Once more. 나냐, 너냐, 노뇨, 누뉴, 느니. 네네. 녜녜, 놔, 뇌, 노, 뇌, 뉘, 니니. Put your lips round. Nui. This is just like a slight smile lips. Ni. Okay? Here means I or me. Na. I or me. Na. 너 means you. 너, you. 누나. Here, 누나. Brother calls older sister. 누나. Younger brother calls older sister. 누나. 언니. Sister, younger sister calls older sister. 언니. Brother calls older sister. 누나. 언니. Sister calls older sister. Different kinds here, right? But you could practice na, no, you. 누나. 언니. N is a tongue sound. Nian is a tongue sound. First sound, n. Use your half of your tongue. Last sound, n. Un. Can you catch? Yes. The next one. What could be? Tongue sound, first sound, n. Last sound, n. Practice again. 나냐. 너녀. This is easier, right? Instead of saying separately, 누뉴, like a word. 느니. 네네. Hard one. 녜. 놔. 뇌. 노. 뇌. 뉘. This is just ni. Sounds similar. Ni. Almost the same. Here, let go is 놔. Let go of me. 놔. 무늬. Here, 니. 무늬. Pattern. 무늬. Pattern. 놔. Let go. 놔. This is 나. This is 놔. Okay? 내면. 은. 내면. Inner side. 내면. Inner side. 손님. 손. Last sound. 손. First sound. 님. 손님. Guest. 손님. guest. 한 번. means once. 한 번. once. Less sound. Two less sound. 한 번. once. 한 번. once. 논문. college paper. 논문. college paper. 대학에서 쓰는 논문. paper. Can you practice? Once again. 놔. Let go. 놔. Let go. 무늬. pattern. 내면. Inner side. 손님. guest. 손님. guest. 한 번. once. 한 번. once. 논문. college paper. 논문. paper. And more practice here. Okay. 나. you know what that means. No, no, no. And 누나, 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 brother, 남자, younger, 어린 남동생이 누나를 부르는 말, 나이 많은 누나. Brother calls older sister. 누나, 누나, 언니, 언니, 언니. Sister calls older sister. Younger sister, 여동생이 언니를 부르는 말. Sister calls older sister. 나, 너, 누나, 누나, 언니, 언니. Not that hard, right? Tongue sound word. Tongue sound consonant ni, n. You can practice. Not that hard. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.